Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I am doing a set of birthday nails. So I couldn't decide. I started doing some with balloons and stuff, and I thought, no, I want something a bit more glamorous and something that I could wear some other time and that wouldn't necessarily be birthday. So I'll just run you through the tutorial. I'll jump in when there is something to tell you. Otherwise I'm just going to let it play out and you'll see how I'm doing things. I hope you like them. I'm just starting off with a pink nude base, and I'm going to put that on all of them, and then I'll be back to show you what I do next. Now I'm just doing a base smile line. It does not have to be perfect because this is going to be covered by glitter powder. So just to get a bit of a guide so you know where you're going to be putting it later on. So just a rough guide, and then I'm going to apply matte top coat over this again. For this nail, I've already applied the no wipe top coat, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of this pearl chrome. It does look silver, but it's actually pearl, so if you've only got silver on hand, this would work for that as well. Here I'm just applying top coat over, or no wipe top coat over the middle part and the parts that I don't want the glitter to stick to. Then I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to apply base coat to the other 2 sections, which I won't cure, and then I will apply the glitter powder and then cure.
A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they'll stay right here. You're in so deep, you feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you shoot too much. Loving me is a little rough. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to save me.
Here I am just applying the no wipe top coat over the chrome sections. I should have done that to the whole nail before I put the base coat on and the glitter.
A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they stay right here.
So here is the completed nail set before I've put them on my fingers, and it's in a darker light, so hopefully you can see how it glitters. And this is what they look like on my hand, and I really love them. Obviously, because the glitter is not sealed and I didn't really like the way it would look if I sealed it in, you would only wear these say for the day, or you're not going to put your hands in water and get them all wrecked up. But let me know what you think, guys. Put a heart emoji in the comments if you like them, and thank you for watching. See you next time.